drunk.
Oh my God. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, but that's gonna, yes. I mean, I'm gonna be laughing about that one for a long time. Oh my God. Oh, stop. Take that thing away from me. Woo, let me stop. Put that thing down, Dolly.
Why you beating on the
Oh, oh my goodness. I'm trying
Don't
to
put
keep
it on
this.
Facebook.
I'm trying to keep this cramp. I'm getting the stitch. I got it. Woo, calm down, Sharon.
Why are you beating on me?
He got mad.
I think Tango's gonna sleep in the bedroom and Cheryl's going to the basement tonight.
I'm done.
No, you're not. You ain't never gonna be done.
No, I'm not gonna forget this one. Between that one and the hot dog, no.
What hot dog?
The hamburgers.
He made us sit down and eat those burger hot dogs. I mean hamburgers, whatever they were. Oh man.
You better eat them.
What you sitting down for? He's normally very quiet, but when he gets mad. Oh, stop it. Okay. What was that? Don't put that thing down. I'm done. No, I really am.
Wheels.
Oh man, that was funny. Put that thing down. It was funny. I'm done.
Wheels.
Put it down.
Dolly, that's almost 5 minutes of video.
I'll be right back. Put that thing down. Oh my God, I gotta get myself together. Oh.